So if you want to join a crew in GTA 5 Online, all you have to do is, if you're in a session, simply pause the game and then select Online. And then from here, scroll down and find crews, choose that. And then you can see a couple of options. You can select suggested crews and see a list of all the available suggested crews that are available. You can also see your friends' crews. And if you have any invitations, you can simply find them here. Now, find the crew that you'd like to join. So let's say, for instance, I want to join this particular crew. I can simply select it. And then from the options that appear, simply select join crew. And then you should see this. And then you should see this alert. You're now a member of that particular crew. Do you want to set it as an active crew? So simply select no. Or if you want to set it as an active crew, simply select yes. And that's basically it on how to join a crew in GTA 5 Online. Thanks for watching. If this information was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.